Hey, man.
Hey, Jacob.
Are you in a little bit of a hurry?
Yeah, I gotta go, man.
I think we need to strap down that pipe.
Why?
You never know. If you needed to hit the brakes real hard, it could fly out and really hurt someone.
Oh. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I got in a hurry. Wasn't
All right.
thinking about it.
Yeah, we'll take it down and do it right.
Okay.
Thanks. Remember, as plumbers, one of the most important things we do every day is secure our equipment and material before we get on the road. If not done right, it can have some pretty severe consequences for yourself and other drivers around you. Before you leave, check all your straps and your tie-down points. Make sure everything is in working order. Also check your lights and your signals before departing on the road, and keep everyone safe at all times. Thanks, guys.